Hello and welcome to our channel. For today's video is how to fix queued email not sending on Gmail app. If you're experiencing issues with queued emails not sending on the Gmail app, there are a few things you can try to fix the problem. First is check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to the internet and has strong connection. Poor internet connection can cause emails to get stuck in the outbox. Next is restart the Gmail app. Close the Gmail app and reopen it again. This can sometimes resolve the issue. Next is clear the Gmail app cache. So to clear the Gmail app cache, go to Settings, then go to Apps, go to Manage Apps, then search for Gmail. Then press here Clear Data and Clear Cache. This can clear any temporary data that may be causing the issue. Next is update the Gmail app. Make sure that you have the latest version of the Gmail app. Go to the Google Play Store or App Store and check for any available update. So mine is already updated. If you see update, just press on update. Next is check your email settings. Ensure that your email settings are configured correctly. Check that your outgoing server settings are correct and that your email account is set up correctly. Try sending the email from a different device. If the email is still not sending, try sending it from different device. This can help you determine if the issue is with the Gmail app or with your device. So, if none of this solution works, contact Google support or for further assistance. So, that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!